Sajid Rizvi, Coordinator, Senior Section, BBS Vidya Mandir. Human respiratory tract. A journey of air through external nostril up to the alveoli or air sacs. Nostril or external nostril. Opening of nose through which air entering. Nasal chamber or nasal cavity located at the back of nostril just above the mouth or buccal cavity. It filters the air by hair present in it, moistened by mucus and warmed by capillary network. It also detects odor in the air. Pharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for both food and air. It is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, upper part of pharynx, oropharynx, behind buccal cavity and behind the larynx. Laryngopharynx. It is the union of nasopharynx and oropharynx present at the level of the hyoid bone. Larynx, which is also called voice box. It is a cartilaginous structure at the opening of trachea, about 4 cm long. Glottids. It is present on trachea. Glottids is a slit-like opening of larynx. Epiglottids. Epiglottids is a triangular cartilaginous flap present at the glottids. Trachea. Trachea is also called windpipe. It runs through the neck in front of esophagus. It is about 12 cm long and about 2.5 cm in diameter. It has C-shaped cartilaginous ring which check the collapse of trachea during breathing. Bronchi. First of all, singular term is bronchus and plural term is bronchi. There are two, left for left lungs and right for right lungs bronchus. Right bronchus is divided into three bronchi which enters into the three lobes of lungs. Same as left bronchus is divided into two bronchi that enter into the two lobes of left lungs. Each bronchus divides and redivides to form primary bronchus, secondary bronchus and tertiary bronchus. Bronchus again divided into a fine network of bronchioles. Respiratory bronchioles, fine and smallest tubes, and there is no cartilaginous rings on it. Alveolar duct, fine tube-like structure which open into the alveoli or air sac. Alveoli, they are extremely thin-walled structure, lobe-like structure surrounded by blood capillary network. The main site of gaseous exchange is alveoli. There are about 300 million alveoli present in the lungs. Thank you.